Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see a network or connection error in the Barclays app, first begin by checking your internet connection. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Then turn airplane mode on, wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off. This will reset your connection. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for your Barclays app, then close it completely by swiping it away. Wait for a few seconds, then reopen it. Disable any VPN or proxy apps temporarily as they can interfere with secure banking connections. If the error continues, Barclays services may be temporarily unavailable, so wait and try again later. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.